Chaturthi or Vinayak Chaturthi is the festival that honors Lord Ganesha. It marks the birth of the elephant-headed deity Ganesha, the god of prosperity and wisdom. A 10-day festival is held where clay sculpture of the god are installed in temples and homes. On the last day, there is a grand celebration, street parties, and feasts.
गणपति बप्पा मंगल मूर्ति गणपति बप्पा मंगल मूर्ति
At Little Liners, we made the kids dress up traditionally for celebrating Ganesh Chaturthi. Some exciting activities were planned as a part of the festivities for the days. Ganesh ji had a sweet tooth and he loved modak. Thus, at Little Liners, the kids taught the process of making his favorite modaks. There was a session of storytelling where a teacher dressed up as Lord Ganesha, Shivji, and Parvati ji. Children need to understand the premise of the festivals if we are to celebrate them meaningfully. Not only it enlightens children about their culture and tradition, but also helps them build religious tolerance, something that is the core of our wonderful country. Festival season is the most joyous time of the year for everyone. We belong to a country which is the land of festivals and celebration. Every festival has its own importance and meaning. Every festival brings happiness and harmony between tradition and rituals. It is very essential thing to teach the importance of festival to little one. And thus at Little Rider, we had this wonderful Ganesh Chaturthi workshop to teach our kids the true meaning and the rituals about a celebration and festival so that they could also know the importance of each and everything we did. After the wisdom stories of Ganpati ji, the kids had the sthapana session of the Ganpati ji and then puja and arti with the teachers. The cute little kids dressed in the ethnic clothing looked very cute during the artis. The kids even offered the flowers to Ganpati ji. They were so excited to do all these things on their own. The elephant-faced god, who is the beloved son of Lord Shiva and Devi Parvati, is known for his wit, humor, and sweet tooth. He is also the protector of nature. It is very important to have a green Ganesh Chaturthi, and we totally followed it. It's time to indulge in the elephant god's favorite sweet modak. It was so amazing to see that kids were not able to step back to have their favorite chocolate modaks. Excitement of our kids during these festivities changes the ambience with the staff and teachers preparing everything possible to make the festival memorable in a preschool. Children love their chocolate modak and the teachers were amazed to see the smile on their face.
गणपति बप्पा मंगल मूर्ति अरे मोरया 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 रे बप्पा मोरया रे बप्पा मोरया रे मोरया रे